Morning. It's Taco 9, man, bringing y'all back with another video. And, well, from the other video, as you guys can see, in my Johnny Tran voice, we got no engines, do we? Do we? Do we? Yeah, so this video gonna be a little different. I'm actually gonna be pulling my seats, all my carpet out. I've always been, a horsepower guy. Ain't really gave too much about the interior, but after going to the little ride and the ride and greet yesterday, man, these G-Bodies, they interior nice and comfortable, and this right here just not gonna cut it. So I'm gonna snatch these seats out, snatch the carpet out. I got some metal I gotta fix up by the shifter up there. And I've ordered, thanks to Popeye, he gave me a link for carpet, sound deadening, and I might just go on and get me 2 new seats. I like the Recaro racing style seats, and just have this seat upholstered black. I want my door panels black, dash and everything black, and I need a headliner also. So yeah, this thing is in bad shape on the interior, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm gonna give this interior shit a go. So I'm gonna snatch this out. I already got the door stills out and whatnot. So let me go on and get on my, go on and get to work, and I'll check back in with you guys in a second. All right, so this thing was a mess. Look at this. All right, got the issue right there too. So keep in mind, when I bought this car, all I did was just put a motor and trans in it. I ain't even back from the inside of the car, nothing, man. So this is what we got so far. These are the seats. As you can see, I don't know what the, look at this. Just why this? Just shit everywhere. But yeah, these are the seats. Got them out. They bad, man. They bad. As you can see, but not that one. I think it's this one. They are bad. So, yeah, they are bad. Yeah, yeah, they messed up. So, yeah, y'all give me a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this carpet out, see what it look like up under there. Think I might got a hole in the floor pan maybe in the back, because it was leaking from up on the sunroof. So let me move some stuff around, snatch all this out, and then I'll get back with you guys here shortly. All right, so we got all the carpet out, as you see, and this shit's a mess. I didn't realize it was this bad until, not looking at it. So carpet out, seats out, which I believe I have those sold already. As I said, new carpet, sound deadening, and all that stuff is on the way. Floor and it's not that bad. And that little piece right there, which I gotta, fix whatever. I got this harness ring came through here for the transmission. So I believe, since the car's up in the air, I'm gonna unplug it, run it. Shit, might run everything back through the grommet on the side and then down through there. Get my my hammer and stuff, clean that up real good and close that back up so we won't get that much engine noise when we put everything back together. But yeah, man, I'm working. Y'all stay tuned. Next video, sound deadening, all the other stuff. I'm gonna put new seats in, the bezel for my double end, the bezel for my double end, remount the ECU and clean all that stuff up real nice, and we'll go from there, man. But it's Taco 9. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. We'll see y'all on the next video. We out.